Okay, today we're going to be doing a lino print. Just going to show you the kind of different handles which go onto the lino itself, lino cutters. We've got the screw-on handle here. The lino cutters go into there like so, screw it back on like that, nice and tight. This one here is used for sharpish lines, you can see. This one's used for blunt areas, blunt areas, big areas around here, so you use a blunt cutting instrument. The one we've got at the moment is a sharp one, which is used for finite detail. Now, as you can see, the image here has been transferred onto the lino and it's reversed itself, obviously. We've gone over it with fine liner. I can show you the pencil line here, which will be erased if it's not put over with fine liner. The student's yet to finish that off. But the parts that have been done, what I'm going to do is start to cut out the white areas with the lino cutter, keeping my hands well behind the cutter itself. If that's not done, then you put your hands up here. There's a chance that the lino cutter might slip and then you've got an accident waiting to happen there. So hands always behind. The lino is quite soft because it's been left near a radiator, so it's much easier to cut. And I'm just digging in here to these areas about a third of the way down, no further than that. If you do more than that, you're likely to have lots and lots of big areas of white around here, and if it's too far cut down into the hessian at the back, there's a chance it could snap. We can always go back and cut deeper at a later date, but you can't always put the liner back on. So as you can see, gradually, slowly getting rid of the white. Obviously shavings are quite messy, but you have to clear them up after the event. Nice and consistent, as you can see, around the areas here near the eye. Now for the actual pupils itself, what I tend to do is dig in and turn like so, because the cutters are a little bit too fat, even the thinnest one there, for the really finite details of the pupil here, the highlight. Just turn and that will cover that. Again, gradually cutting out all the white areas. This area that we're cutting will not take the ink, only the parts which are upstanding. So all the black areas will accept the ink and the areas we're cutting will be white. So it's a general tedious process, but has its rewards in terms of the accuracy of your cutting. The patience of your cutting also will yield the best results. You see it's part of the cutting process, and you see the areas here which you can cut out, the pupil being cut very finely, and you can see also the other areas which are just about ready to be cut.